report DD News, Meghalaya.
Meanwhile, Bhoi'S district also did fairly well in the Hsslc exams conducted by the Meghalaya Board of School Education. The district recorded a pass percentage of 79.9% in the science stream and 79.17% in the commerce stream, the results of which were declared today. Jagjot Singh Nongtudu, a student of Alpha English Higher Secondary School, bagged the 10th position in the commerce stream with 87.6%. Speaking to the media, Paidolin Lingdo Nonglait, the district school education officer Bhoi'S, said that as a district that lags behind in Meghalaya, the result is a stepping stone towards better education in Bhoi'S.
To be very honest,
So next year we're hoping to get good news for more top tens. All right? For now, it's.
Kawai kalau ni comeback Tommy ki kena sekretari kasi comeback Tommy ki ni wa ki la ni siamba la ki don ki tulot ang ni persiapan irap ki
ke distrik ke distrik ke Pasadian Kamp Port Meghalaya aspirational district ringilayo 79.17 but 79.29 masuk ka penidak ke jengkil jong ka education buat report.
I would like to say just one thing is that work hard, grow and bring honor to your school, especially Alpha students. Let us bring honor to Alpha school.